We are at Sonic after a long day. I look like a hobo. I'm in my home clothes and I just have a few things to catch up on with work after driving all around the world. And then I think I'm gonna have an early night from work, which means I could probably stop working at like 7 instead of like 9. Progress. I'm trying my best to like balance everything out as best as I can. However, if I need to work till 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night, listen, I'm gonna do it because these kids are expensive.
Okay, now I'm in full hobo mode. I am in bed. I have a mountain of clothes to get through, and I thought I was gonna stop working at 7, but after I'm done with these clothes, I have more work to do. So that's gonna include switching some things on my YouTube account, and then responding to some clients that came in a little bit later in the evening. I hate just like, especially if there's a new client, I need to like introduce myself a certain way, get some information from them, and it's not like it's like 9 o'clock, and I'm gonna do things pretty informal and then give them a phone call tomorrow. And then tomorrow is Thursday. Oh my gosh, Thursday is another busy day. I'm actually gonna bring my tablet with me to San Antonio because I'm getting an oil change. Ooh, I put on Netflix. Yeah, so I'm getting an oil change, and while I'm there, I'm gonna take the opportunity to just get some work done. I'm gonna get there super early in the morning. However, they take forever. Like, oil changes, when you go to the dealership, for some reason, just take forever. And I'm gonna tell them while I'm there, wash that girl up. I got a car wash today, but I mean, I'm there. Why not get it all spick and span? See if they can vacuum it. I mean, we just bought it. It's not like it's a cheap vehicle. No vehicles are cheap right now, though. So, yeah. That's about it. Part 2 of my day is me in this. That's what you get. I don't like wearing makeup. Wore enough of it when I was really young. Love me a tinted SPF. Love it. When I have stuff to do, most of the time I'll just put like a powder. And if I don't have to be dressed up, like, I'm in shorts, whether they're like tight workout shorts or just like super chill shorts and a t-shirt. Live in that. That's like my daily outfit, what I go to. I'm not the girl who's waking up with the crack of dawn to put on a full face of makeup and curl my hair, whatever, and get all dressed up to the nines. Would I love to be that girl? Yes, I would. I love it when I dress up. I feel sexy, I feel nice, I feel confident, but I just can't. Maybe I'll do better at like getting some casual, cute things, sort of. My kids are playing. Anyways, I'm gonna tackle this and then get to work. But that's my day. That's my day. Mommin', working, mommin', and then finish off the evening working and get some snuggles from babies. That's it.